my beauties, welcome back to my channel, and it's your girl Ada. In today's video guys, I'm going to teach you how to make the best form of carrot oil. This is not frying method. No, frying means you're killing your oil and you're just rubbing frying oil on your skin. So this is cold pressed carrot oil and 100% organic. Okay guys, let me take you to my workstation and I will tell you what to do and what not to do. And guys, hope you love my makeup. Okay, I will be showing you guys how I do my makeup because I'm very good when it comes to makeup. I'll be making more of that video very soon, but for now let me just concentrate on the skincare products for now. Okay guys, let me take you there, and I love you all. Hello guys, so this is the carrots that I will be using, fresh carrots, and this carrot is very sweet guys. I almost finished it. Okay guys, please go for organic. When it comes to your skin, always go for organic. It's the best guys. And this is my grapeseed oil. I'm not using olive oil because olive oil is not good on my face. It do clog my pores. So grapeseed oil is good for all skin type and for your face as well. Please go for organic. And guys, I always say this, make sure your working areas and your tools are very clean. They have to be clean, please guys. This is your skin. They have to be clean. So this is it guys. You have to wash your carrots and peel it, please. Always peel it, but don't peel it too deep. Just take out the skin, wash it, and then you slice your carrot to your desirable choice. And now we have to pour in our oil. And make sure your oil is on top of the carrot. It has to cover the carrot, guys. You see, don't be stingy with your oil. You see us. So now guys, we're going to blend the carrots. So guys, I finished blending the carrots. Please don't blend too smooth. Don't blend too smooth. Even this is too smooth for my liking. So what you're going to do is to strain the carrots. Just have to pour it into your filter. This is 100% cold pressed carrot. Nothing is fried here. So we're going to allow it to stay for some time so that we can get all the extract as we want. You can see it will be dropping little like this. So you can do this overnight and keep it till the next morning. So make sure you cover it so that you don't have any form of dust on it. You cover it to allow all the juice to seep out. So guys, this is it. This is the extract. You can see it's mixed with water and oil. Sometimes I do make it like this and I use it to cook jollof rice. It's very nice. This is the oil and this is the water. Both are mixed together for now. You can see, but we're going to keep it in the fridge for it to cool down. When you keep it in the fridge, the water and the oil, they are going to separate. You're going to find the oil on top of the water. So guys, this is it. It has been in the fridge for 30 minutes now. I just have to bail the oil out from the water. This part requires a lot of work. If you want a lot of oil, you just have to take your time and bail a lot of oil out from it. So what I did here, I bailed and I kept the others in the fridge as well. Then the extract settled and I still have a lot of oil to bail out from. So you can take and keep in the fridge and take again and keep in the fridge. That is what I did. I got a lot of oil from this extract. This is it, guys. Cold press oil has to be thick. This is it. You don't fry your carrots and use it on your skin and say you're using carrot oil. No guys, you're using frying oil, not carrot oil. This is the best form of carrot oil, cold press. This is what I got for now. You can see how thick and beautiful the oil is. This is what I got for now, guys. I'm still going to keep the other extracts in the fridge and allow it to settle and still bail out from it. You can see how liquid it is now. But if you keep it in the fridge, you will still find oil resting on top of the water. So I kept it in the fridge and I bailed out some oil as well. So guys, this is the best form of carrot oil you could ever have. Yeah.